So today, guys, I'm going to be reviewing my two new fidget spinners, which I have with me right now. So we're going to show them in 3, 2, 1. The first one is this one. It has my initials on it. Pretty cool. It has these it doesn't have bearings. So yeah, because it's metal too, so I think that was what makes things faster. So let's try a spin test. 3, 2, 1. Pretty cool. I would say that would be like about 10, 8, like a 7, 8, 7 out of 10. I would call that 7 out of 10. So that is the fidget spinner that I have, and it comes with this very own case. If you can see it. Now the next one I just got today. It is the black Batman fidget spinner. This one I love so much. The Batman fidget spinner, it's so cool. Now let's try a spin test. Ready, set, go. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Alright guys, I'm going to show you like this.